Hello, I'm Trish Mack, Business Development Manager for First American Exchange. What are improvement exchanges? The improvement exchange, also known as a build-to-suit or construction exchange, allows an investor to use the proceeds from the sale of the relinquished property not only to acquire replacement property, but also to make improvements to the property. For example, if an investor sells relinquished property for $1 million, has debt of $200,000 and proceeds of $800,000, he must acquire a property equal to at least $1 million and must reinvest the proceeds of the $800,000 into that property in order to completely defer tax in a 1031 exchange. In an improvement exchange, however, the investor could acquire property for $300,000, borrow an additional $200,000, and spend the remaining $500,000 of exchange proceeds plus the $200,000 in loan funds on improvements to the property. This would use up the remaining cash and increase the fair market value of the replacement property to $1 million, resulting in a fully tax-deferred exchange. An improvement exchange is accomplished by having a separate entity called an Exchange Accommodation Title Holder, or EAT. Temporarily take title to the replacement property while the improvements are being made. First American Exchange creates and owns this entity, which holds title to the property for up to 180 calendar days. The benefits of doing an improvement exchange include the ability to buy property that is lower in value compared to the relinquished property, while still having a completely tax-deferred exchange, and to use exchange funds rather than the loan proceeds to fund construction. The principal drawback is that the work must be done within the 180-day period. In addition, improvement exchanges can be more costly due to the fees and costs of an additional closing and formation of the EAT. For those intending to do an improvement exchange, planning is essential. First, include a 1031 assignment provision in the purchase contract. This is necessary because the EAT will be taking title to the replacement property. Second, contact First American Exchange and your lender early in the process. Typically, the EAT signs the loan documents, with the loan being non-recourse to the EAT. Third, lock in the time it will take to complete the construction project. Although the construction does not have to be complete at the expiration of the 180-day period, the only improvements that qualify are the improvements completed by the date that the EAT transfers the replacement property to the taxpayer. Fourth, consult with your tax advisor before starting. By properly structuring an improvement exchange, the investor should have much more flexibility in finding appropriate properties and at the same time completely defer all capital gains tax. Improvement exchanges can be complex, but the benefits can be incredible. So if you have additional questions or wish to dive into a little bit more detail, you can always reach out to me via phone or email. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would like additional educational materials, please visit us online.